dry place as the shadows of a great rock in a weary land.
Kan.
Kanalik tidi, wawusteng je verlang naar wat ra. Precies zo aan mangodi. Dus bij verlang naar wat ra. In dorst.
Doorstock.
Precies zo oude.
Stop voor af de man, voor af de elect man.
Doorstock push you up the elect man dat toe. Wat in puro. Nati, hey. Nati. Wat im safe. Dat ben de umas ma op kis deze revitak, hey. De mais bede de ecto trumen op de lorta pas street, jongen. Je sabi toch? Book of Isaiah. The book of Isaiah chapter 13 verse 12. I will make a man more precious than fine gold. You see, amoro he want to make one true man of the Lord, more prestigious. You see, more belangrijk, more waardevol. Toch, go ahead.
I will make a man more precious than fine gold.
Then fine gold, tapa deep trouble toch, na uno de umas ma olongko in a deep trouble. Kuna de maningre. Omdat was shine more go to. Isap sanitary umas ba ista you know a man of the Lord boy. Ang mga sambe sa baba mo ni ano ma save me mabib ko na man of the Lord na ewa abib save me. Omdat wo de more waardevol more pirang 20 karat go to. Read it again. Na glow was shine. Go ahead.
Isaiah chapter 13 verse 12. I will make a man more precious than fine gold.
Moro iwan tak o make one man inattend that you want true of gado, moro waardevol, moro akten tak te karat go to. En ano ama say go a kerki. Say go in the kobo. Ade ma say de tapa street. You see? Ade ma say de tapa street. And teach a word to. You see? Ano de ma say go a kerki a Bible taki. De manat na so false prophet. Ano de ma to destroy. Kan. Go ahead.
Isaiah 13 and 12. I will make a man more precious than fine gold, even a man than the even a man.
I know the enthusiasm, but slow a little bit.
Even a man than the golden wedge of Ophir.
Go ahead.
Luke chapter 21, verse 23. But woe unto them that are with child.
See, just so I tag the umasma in a time of trouble, dog. Amoro iwantak for nita kinanga destruction gide umasma sa denanga bere. You see, what you want the wicked from sa danga bere. The wicked, the abere top de bling overspell. You see, kane ano famasri. Walo wickedness de umasma edu. You see, amoro iwantak destruction get them get umasma sa denanga bere. You see, go ahead.
But woe unto them that are with child.
That are with child. Tayo de, with that are with child and andro do itinangawap chi in you bere you bent swanger. Go ahead.
And to them that get sucked in those days, for there shall be great distress in the land and wrath upon this people.
You see, and give the one sa Egyptian bobi. The one sa apas ko boro baby. Omdat na boom problema o de tapagronta po. And ala de ko der pagronta po. Omdat na economy pagronta po o crash. That the people follow kete mi mang. The people select ala sa no go smooth. Daron make a script ita ya hawo shy o kole ko forma ina neti. You see, ondro the people I des may select ala sa no go na ala di yoma kwa photo, na ala di yoma reyi wagi, na ala di yoma nya breno bono e wiki, ala di yoma de dualo wickedness, na por si so out de chief kondo de nei. A destruction de let ja. Small de no de na 2 minutes for midnight. And the 2 minutes that it represent a RFID microchip na nga a third the world orlo. The people fear a vibration tak a vibration in a gronta po niya boom boy. You see, wala ko kayo FN Isra na dya, Saramaka ome 200 kilo. Matok de people is ka president no mago for klar pe adopug moto sa auto sot matrikulo out trefo. Isi na wickedness. Isi en lor tole afon clock ko insrana to.
Baka.
Bakawan abe degba en atena tabe de first curriculum ni mabe de inatena tabe for termi. Akatena be de first curriculum bimang. Repair ya sudah timi mande de a government to struggle in ta. At kel no matu sani mande ma amu jiwa pon top. Inunu de mai pote, nunu de mai pot sura de rei panang akke. Isi des ya tami mang des de homework su to ko ina gode. Gam bimang nanya ino sa pinya. Si bukannya sa tapis mau kita boy de sa ikonya boy di mana. Pala sila alasan go smooth day in day out day in day out. Udah takamoro hiwa o taluko wickedness tapagron tapo. Au chawa endo koning. And au sene boy awansa we kar Jesus e turina na Yahawashi ko establish a righteous kingdom on earth.
Luke chapter 6, verse 25. Woe unto you that are full, for ye shall hunger.
Ishi amoro hiwa tak destruction gide wano de sa aiko boom gide. Dewansa de bere furu. And dewansa bere furu that represent dewansa abamoni. Suko nagdo. Dewansa a business. Wa inepina to kay gitok amoro hiwa tak destruction gide wansa abenunu de on that song.
Woe unto you that are full, for ye shall hunger.
For ye shall hunger. The ones sa abenunu de in a deep destruction angry okir de. Do biget raya na enyande Egyptian. Lek fades may nyande Egyptian in Venezuela ba nanga Puerto Rico. Herdi desmania luku beta last news. Herdi na so endo branding info ek walol ramol. So we do what so do. You dead. You know, we do what we do. What was second of the Bible, they all come true. That was just it that uno na de true of God. Sabe taka true. They beg for them about some people in the
Woe unto them, woe unto you.
on that in a bribi, that ano compare.
Woe unto them.
Woe unto them, destruction give the one that did. Then dead. Ide tak dead this might dead and uno de we give for them we sorry. You sa uno family leaders left dead. Nakal halal we give praise amore wataki kira on that ability wicked and obey the tapa with you. Laro make it kire.
And woe unto you that left now, for
Wo,
ye
ishi destruction give the one sa elaf no. What the mesas man elaf de la po. Esa sa de chiboy this. E boy se kir me boy. Esa de chimay si boy. No may ko de make it bari ja. E boy si boy, may se klar mi boy. No mo robong busan de kuyare. E boy se werwa yapon ko snap ja. Marabong busan de kuyare. Tai ina nga lusot sa. Naso de may shoe. So sma e shoe. Read it. Imana award to amoro hiwa wetaki. And amoro hiwa wetaki work to before. And alasan sa betak before. Kober. And a corporate prophet who prophesy the sasa okober. And amarais of unu who prophesy the sasa okober to the day. That to attack if I kober before okober baka.
woe unto you that left now, for ye shall mourn and weep.
For you shall mourn and weep. Your sorry and your day in for dread. Cuando yo quise ser tap e, mi bete kick tap de chimati yo. Wer kalap der de weran orlo koyo. Isa hawas nu koisra na. De mabeta kina time small yo. Shit. Madala dik ba. Read it.
Woe unto you that are full, for ye shall hunger. Woe unto you that left now, for ye shall mourn and weep.
Alright, go ahead.
Revelation chapter 9 verse 6. And in those days,
And in those days, nuno de ude in the thing ba, pancha si pasara na idrai, sana klari. Omena erude, bena dalo kau doro doni. Isi, bena dala de dala kau doro IT kolu doni. Isi, mana people nesi takasane komoro tranga. Isi, de fira vibration to de sita iwasan ne club boy na bauta. Ano bauta? Bauta, amoro hiwa eko break bauta, puchar sira nang go in destruction. Kan? Omdat na amoro hiwa eko break ala de konu, de president, fu ala de country. Fu make awanin amoro hiwa fulfill according to the Bible. Kan? Na the people no mashi any etemi mang. The people they think na the president refer to the son. If sira na ben kogbong, de yurjaso pauta no boko keki waloma epoto walomang eko nyamamoni. Wana tatat nasan I miss no blam. I say que sabe te guerra bi na president. I say que sa I you for financier. My control la pere. I you for justice. I no no kom hor en ha no. Okay, they hor en ha. I you I. Oh iwa okay. Oh iwa nasasane dry. Dede may de underling taki to mi mang. Nale gangster de may taki. Pauta na wakamang. Isa rin basta sa temo di si me poco piere. Isa pa to adim bisa president. Nalam jot niya yung te kupariere. Isa pa to nasususoy abip tegre. Mafawa ka nga aquastic alco asiralco. Sa amigo assembly sa mo takiyo. Advisor, scripon briefing combo da speechiere. Même scripta sudan tag bla bla bla. Tamalisite opposite palamaan. Bla 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 maano true. Samay do amay sakesa na may koiri ko. Amay ekipot dem. Mana moro he was a broke up de my mind and make the engines a blunder de my mind. You see? Dema kiswalo ome kilo dobu. Dema ding tag na suma. No de amoni dat bruya. No amoni sa bruya no dema ding sa amoni bruya yongo. Na de kanina nga amoni dat dema mo pa skoro. Isa pa to peso stack, hero stack. No de peso stack dema stack. The people gone. Demay day taksa ni sakowo. O mef de ma sa de manunu de ina assembly de ma sap about a pigi dopo a take boat na nga plane sa de makisa nga momento 100 kilo. Kan iden de manu sabi. First time euro komuna.
And in those days, some man seek death.
And in those days, the deep trouble libis ma osuku dede. Nunu dede ne suku dede. Nunu de alasane go on de nyang. De rejoice. De tegi ere. Ai de trots. De tegi mo le meki. Read.
And in those days, some man seek death, and shall not find it.
You see? Amoro iwata in the day that libis ma osuku dede. Masopsa.
And shall not find it,
And then offend dede. That them layer.
and shall desire to die.
Isi endo wante de sokra wate angre kirin nyano de sayo taki boda moro betra mit dede nunu de ye pensanit nya smano wante de tamara de deng tak ai tamara mo wapa pais ai McDonald tir palani mim ko baya radio san dape den wante de mate do ma pen next support go in de bere do nangap kidep chinya do dapas do wante de masamoro iwataki
And shall desire to die,
endo wante de masopsa
and death shall flee from them.
and that dede o luku yu da uta o iwan dede mine kona yu ne freigwe dede ofrede yu nunu de yu efrede dede dal dede ofrede de sma na so abable taki and all come to pass
God. Read Proverbs chapter 21 verse 1. The king's heart is in the hand of Yahweh.
Shit. Read.
Proverbs chapter 21 verse 1. The king's heart is in the hand of Yahweh as the rivers of water. He turneth it whithersoever he will.
Read. Lisa makapanapat ba kayo?
Proverbs chapter 21 verse 1. The king's heart
Is it the king's heart and the king's represented the day the sukan of the president na nga the rulers fu agron tapu. Amoro hiwatak a first staff fu de kono tok de ina anuf eng. You see? Go ahead.
as the rivers of water.
You see? Lekpa awatra ina libe estroma. Go ahead.
He turneth it whithersoever he will.
You see? Na porsit so amay steer amay fu de president to tapagron tapu. So imdo, so awanip amoro hiwang kanko tot for feeling. You see, this next day sa sumar, the amoro hiwang na control Abraham.
I, the Lord, do all these things.
See, amoro iwanta inge do ala de sandisi. See. Ah, go ahead.
Ezekiel chapter 33, verse 33.
Faith si Doc IT.
And when this cometh to pass, lo, it will come. Then shall they know that the prophet hath been among them.
Read it again.
Ezekiel chapter 33, verse 33. And when this cometh to pass, lo, it will come.
See, en de ala de sansa we tak de volkos abebol okoper en okoper.
And
Dat is op sa.
Then shall they know that the prophet hath been among them.
Dan first to realize that profito be de mindri unumen. De man so be si da pe de young boy young na de man pe de true prophet man. You see, smane suno nu de lek profit omdat uno weer jas en das, uno weer lak, uno weer isa fato costume ay to rumah sa isa. You see? Dan first to realize that the man is better than prophet. Then they shall know that a prophet had been among them. Lek pa de prophet pa din na urute. Dere mabe prophesy. Tak bakawa tuteng. Di de san ko be. At direct de den ki de prophet tak de prophet. De prophet boy bet de mindri unumen. Sang Satan shut up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Satan, shut up. Shut up, Satan. Go ahead. Dan. Put Satan top camera. Shut up, Satan.
Me and you,
Satan.
who be a part,
Satan ni mau. Pura mga sa. Go ahead. Go ahead.
it's up to you.
And when this cometh to pass, lo, it will come. Then shall they know that the prophet hath been among them.
Then they shall know. Tak profito be de mindri de. Isi, omdat una true taki. Falcons abebolu ne konya dawe tak ko sa wetenki. Alasan sa we hal na ay tamoro hiwa e wortu. Omdat na dat amawan umtu. Isi. En alasan sa wani we dwaro ko tak uwan save. Omdat mama trouble ko itapagron tapo en Israel. Nunu de sa trouble ba Israel. Isi, en nunu de si tak China nga American de inwa handles orlo. Isi. And the people is up that China tak ni kan tak persen pa agro tabu na China e exporter kudoro. You see? And the China bigyan po tarifa ng ala de sanda tap de kudoro tak memang preso gua hey. And the preso ko first krekalag na hey. The people know man paisan. Kasi ideng tag de snisi ng ala de tra konsumento odu. De mo tap de winkri. And the mo tap de winkri nasa opsa perkor orlo. And the perkor orlok oko isra nang sabaw ta odu amano lugu fa alasan ego ka otis amos kakalan legre en lek afon club.
God.
See?
Ezekiel chapter 2 verse 5. And they, whether they will hear or whether they will forbear, for they are a rebellious house, yet shall they know that there hath been a prophet among them. Ezekiel chapter 2 verse 5. And they, whether they will hear or whether they will forbear,
The 1 year after the 1 year, a nation for Israel, the nengre, the buskondre nanga de ingi, what not dena a nation for Israel, dena amoro hiwa ko kuso follow, no atra follow moro, no de nanga de ingi nanga de nengre wetaki, unes pa nanga de tradition, the ingi nanga de nengre nanga de wetaki wan na dena father of apple. Wetaka nga de 1 year if the no 1 year, go ahead.
for they are a rebellious house,
For they are a rebellious house. A nation for Israel rebellious. They tranga yesi. They were feti. They era true. They were war nanga you amatru. You see, Go ahead.
Yet shall they know that a prophet hath been among them.
En tedes ano come to pass sa itak niya po ko sa Bible. Tapos do realize tak profeta be demidri ding. Tapos street ano iker in kobo. Si une dilang ako bo. A spirit pa moro iwan dil in kobo. You see? Na Satan spirit de in ala the church with the people. You see? Go ahead.
Proverbs chapter 1, verse 26. I will also laugh at your calamity. I will mock when your feet cometh. When your feet cometh as desolation, and your destruction cometh as a whirlwind, when distress and anguish cometh upon you.
Read it again.
I will also laugh at your calamity.
Amoro iwan tak tede deep trouble o dena you face de wasa na buwa arka wurtu. Amoro iwan tak tapas ing olafu. And pa amoro iwan olafu. Amoro iwan o sakak mato fentrun ko tapagulo tapu olafu. Lek pa amoro iwan itak fia unu persisto olafu fia unu. Tewe yere tak smai kirdes rep ina foto uno sari olafu.
I will mock when your feet cometh.
You see, amoro iwan tak outek kick. Te a freeze o de tap de libis basa na buwa arki. Na kick wat teki lek panunu de kick tap uno. Sumana uno wat duo wat moro bumbusanif godo. Uno la leg young boy wel la suting.
Let me ask you, woe unto them that left now.
Yato, let me go on to them that left now. Want dalog yusa elafu osari. Yo losu kunyangi yu frau na ngayuk ching. Ente yu frau ositang inoma saving. Au suku a man of the Lord. The Aisita demanded up power. Na upala kau tegi ulit mga tak. Clyde, dalag. Amadis o save me.
When your feet cometh as desolation, and your destruction cometh as a whirlwind. When distress and anguish cometh upon you.
When distress and anguish. Distress. Dan pati ka distress o kontap libis ma distress, confusion. Ino sa same to. Ino sa pimp ko. Gof ko suku help.
Then shall they call upon me, but I will not answer.
Tapos daw ang karna moro hiwang. Tapos daw lang suku uno. Ada mais beta katruyo. Wabib suku de manja. Masapsa?
But I will not answer. They shall seek me early, but they shall not find me.
Si amoro hiwang tak do suku uno and then ofen uno.
For they that hated knowledge and did not choose the fear of the Lord.
He the ones that be heart away say just so we teach. Nang the ones that be heart understanding. And the ones that be want kiso. Wanna understand it, you see? What?
They would none of my counsel. They despise all my reproach.
And despise all my reproach.
Therefore shall they eat of the fruit of their own way, and be filled with their own device. For the turning away of the simple shall slay them, and the prosperity of fools shall destroy them.
Prosperity. And prosperity na sa ki itich. Prosperity. Am gobong. Au gobong. We pegi the problem of Saranang. National ko bedstock.
But whoso worketh it unto me shall dwell safely.
You see, the ones that arki award to famoro hiwang, the one at o the safe. Go ahead.
And shall be quiet from fear evil.
You see, and no evil, they no free, they no bad times, next no meeting. Want to save. Famoro hiwang to save. They are elect. Ako kausa sa obribi ina through the save. You see? Go ahead. Revelation 7 and 9. No, do one last breakdown. Pagkada daw repeat up. Na last breakdown sa one to Jaso. Of course, so the sukan am the Christianity kerki mang. Sa efentak alasma o save. Amoro hiwa look alamala. Alasma. Takde sana na sole. She. And all nation san isa dina scripture. At that walk of breakdown. Kindreds and tongue. Tere my list, a openbaring, all nation, all